Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this section, we are going to discuss simple but powerful concepts that will change how you see programming and how you understand programming. Most people might say that programming is all about logic, syntax, algorithms, fetching API, creating API, making very fancy UI. But if you break these things down, programming is all about two things: data storage and data manipulation. When we say data storage, we mean keeping information where the computer can use it later. Every app you use today store information. Your calculators, they store the number you type. WhatsApp, they store all your messages. And that is why if you open your WhatsApp tomorrow, you'll be able to see the messages you sent to someone yesterday. The games you play on your phone or your laptop, they normally store your scores. A trading bot, which we are going to build in this lecture, they will definitely store the prices of cryptocurrencies and your trading balances and your trading histories. On my editor, you can see a little program that we've just written. Here we are just storing your name and your age, and that is data storage. The computer now remembers your name and also remembers your age as well. In programming, we store data using variables, arrays, objects, even database. Think of them as containers that hold the information that the computer will use later. The part I enjoy very well when I'm working: data manipulation. This means using the data we stored before in our computer to produce a result, or simply changing the result. So let's go back to the calculator example we gave before. When you type 2 plus 3, the computer stores the 2 and stores the 3. Then when you press the equal sign, right, the computer retrieves the 3, retrieves the 2, add both of them together to give you your result, which is 5. That is data manipulation in a simple term, turning the information you stored in your computer into more meaningful things. Let's take a close example in the real world. One of the projects that we are going to work on in this playlist, which is a crypto trading bot. A trading bot stores information like its price, USDT price, your trading history, and your account balance as well. Then it manipulates this data by using this data to calculate your MACD, your stock RSI, and some other trading indicators. It then uses these trading indicators it has calculated to make a prediction where to buy, and if you bought, where to sell. All the fancy logic that we are going to write while building this trading bot is just simply data storage and data manipulation happening very fast. So here is the big picture. Every program that you are going to write follows the same pattern, whether simple or complex. It takes input data, stores it, manipulates it using logic or algorithms. When we say algorithm, we mean step by step on how to achieve a particular task. That's literally what every website, YouTube, Instagram, or even our trading bot does behind the scene. So next time you write a code, don't overthink it. You are simply storing information, manipulating that information to produce a desired outcome. Or simply put, you are just storing an information and telling computer how to transform your information into something more useful. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful videos like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, all code begins with data.